believe in talent. Personally, I don't. Especially for artists, I think there is no talent. There is just the ability to practice and improve. And a great way to practice and improve is to keep a sketchbook. Here are my 6 better reasons to keep a sketchbook. Hello, bonjour. I'm Cécile, a French artist, and my mission is to help you becoming a better artist. Today I want to talk about something that is really special to me. It's keeping a sketchbook. I must confess, I have quite a bit of sketchbooks. You have another row behind, and you have more upstairs, and you have more downstairs. Well, maybe it's better to buy them than to finish them. I don't know. But this time I have finished one, and I'm so proud about it that I want to share it with you. It's a mixed media portrait sketchbook where I had a lot of fun, a lot of experiments, and I'm so happy to have finished it that I just began another one. We'll see that another time. So are you ready to know why you should keep a sketchbook yourself? I have 6 good reasons for you. The sketchbook is a great way for you to experiment with new ideas, new materials, new technique, and new subjects. This sketchbook is all around portraits, so I'm not really exploring new subjects here, but I am trying different styles and different techniques and mixing different media. For example, here the background was watercolor with a lot of water, a lot of colors fusing, and the face was watercolor pencil, but I didn't like it, so I placed flowers on top with a pen. Then I did white gouache, then I did brush pen, added a lot of water, and in the end I like the overall effect, and this is really an experiment. You can create different compositions that are different from what you are used to, and you don't have to fill everything in a page. It can also have something that is empty in the middle, like here for example, and why not on top of the line in the middle. It's okay, even if you're not sure what technique you want to use when you start drawing, you will figure out while working on the pages. Sketchbooks are a great way to foster creativity. You can try new things, experiment, and make mistakes. And you can also be creative without being limited by the final product, because this is just a sketchbook. So I really don't mind if it's not correct, not whatever, because there is no such thing as correct in art. It's not as important that your art looks professional or perfect. No one will see it except you. Of course, I'm sharing it on YouTube, but this one is okay for sharing. I have other sketchbooks that I'm not willing to share so far. Oh, this one is really ugly. You have no idea. This is really where I place all my tries and palettes. And well, this one is nonsense. They are just my tries, my freedom space, the place where I can just go ahead, have fun, and if I don't like it, well, I will just flip the page and that's it. And this is much less expensive than painting a canvas with a complete set of oil painting, for example. Here I can try for a specific mood, adding some scribbles around and dripping some stuff, just watercolor and a bit of pen, and you're good to go. You have a page that is maybe not as pretty as I would like, but that's just a try. And another great thing about sketchbooks is that's a way to commit to a project and to finish it. You have no idea how proud I am to have finished this sketchbook. It took me maybe a year or so because I am having different sketchbooks at the same time. And I think I love beginning sketchbooks, but I'm not so good at finishing them. Because if you're an artist also, you know how difficult it can be to stay motivated. And if a project seems too daunting, or if you lose interest halfway through when you are painting a big canvas, for example, it's easy to give up and start over again with another idea. Sketchbooks can help you with this problem because they create a space where you can commit to your work and finish what you have started. Pages are small enough that you can finish in one setting. It's less intimidating than a complete canvas. If you like this video so far, please hit the like button so more people can see this video. It really helps the channel. Thank you. Merci. You'll feel a sense of achievement and fulfillment when you see your sketches, even if they're not great. This page, for example, is really not great. It's a mix of stylized and realistic style. It's more a try, but in the end, I'm really happy that I have made a double page spread, just playing with Posca markers. And then I could see that I really don't like this style, that I'm more into this style, so I could keep on going with Posca style and trying new things, working on different colors, adding pen on top, working on colored layers. This is really a great way to explore new possibilities. And you know, as well as I do, that in art, possibilities are endless. And making art, it's like working out or eating healthy. The longer you do it without stopping, the stronger those good habits become. So if you fill a page a day or every other day, you will develop new techniques, new skills, and you will gain confidence. And the more often you fill the pages of your sketchbook, the more pride you'll take in. And another benefit is when you open your sketchbook, sometimes after, you can measure how much you have improved as an artist. And this is really great. Oh, this one is interesting. I have to make a video about it because this is my very first portraits with gouache. They are really ugly. My gosh. Well, this is what I said. It's really a great way to see if you have improved with your art, because when I'm looking at this one, I'm so happy to have practiced more. The only thing I should write the date. That would be better. And if you have not improved, maybe your style has evolved. Because improvement, what is it when you're an artist? So sketchbooks are a great way to help you reach your goals. If you know that every day, no matter what, you're going to put pen, pencil, brush, felt, whatever, on a paper, you'll be likely to follow through on your artistic goals. And in a sketchbook, you can work from reference photo, from imagination, you can invent things. You can try collage, you can try mixed media. Here it's gouache and colored pencils. Here it's, I don't know, there are so many techniques here. It's a bit of acrylic, of brush pen, of gouache, of Posca. I don't even remember everything, but I do like the page. Or you can play with silver leaf, actually. It's another way to try new things. And another benefit is that you can take a specific drawing, sketch, or whatever you want to call it, and you can then enlarge it and make something bigger. Maybe a canvas, or it can be the beginning for another great project. For example, I like this one. I like how I did the hair. I wish I could remember how I did, but I'm quite sure I will be exploring more this kind of texture here. It's really cool. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in art for years, sketchbooks are a great way to keep track of your progress and stay focused on your goals. Just do it, as they say. Grab a sketchbook, any kind, grab a pencil, a regular pencil, and draw, scribble, doodle, do something, fill sketchbooks, and you'll see how you can improve. Do you keep a sketchbook? Do you have one or two or several at the same time? Do you finish them? Let me know in comments. because I'm guilty of beginning a lot but not finishing them. Are you like me?